We are literally in the middle of Paris. We are right on the River Seine, surrounded by some of the most famous, incredible monuments. We have the Tuileries Gardens, we have the Louvre, we have the Musée d'Orsay. It's all here, and now we're going to see an awesome apartment. We're on the Quai Anatole France, which is the quay between the Pont de la Concorde and the Pont Royal, formerly known as Quai de la Grenouillère, Quai d'Orsay, briefly Quai Bonaparte by you-know-who, and now Quai Anatole France, after the late 19th century poet and writer, Nobel Prize winning Anatole France. Let's go and see the apartment. So here we are in the 2,300 square foot, 214 square metre apartment on the first floor of this most magnificent building. What I wanted to show you here is the fact that we have such great potential. Herringbone parquet, we have the original ceiling mouldings, fireplace, full marble. And the most amazing thing, a view and the Légion d'Honneur and the Musée d'Orsay. Okay, so next door, we have a room which is currently used as an office space, which has terrific potential either to be opened up with what we've just seen, or next door to make a really large, beautiful sitting room, open living room, wonderful ceiling height and details. So we've got these great volumes, and best of all, eastern light with this view. Even more living space, even more volumes, even more original features. We can make the most wonderful open kitchen, living, dining room here with all those classical features. There is really so much potential here. Now we're coming into one of 3 bedrooms in this 2,300 square foot apartment. There can be up to 6, and what's great is they're all spacious. They all have this wonderful ceiling height and super quiet. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you're enjoying the tours, the Q&As, loads more to come there. So please, little like, follow. There's more videos coming here and here. Enjoy.